Ever wondered how challenging it could be to rebuild your credit after a foreclosure? Foreclosure can put a significant dent in your credit score, making it harder to secure loans or credit cards in the future. But while the road to recovery may seem steep, with the right approach, it's not an insurmountable task. It's about understanding the impact, facing the challenges head-on, and taking strategic steps towards recovery. Fret not, as we're here to guide you through the steps to rebuild your credit. The first thing you need to do is understand your credit report. Think of it as your financial report card. Regularly reviewing your credit report helps you keep track of your financial health. It's crucial to understand the factors that affect your credit scores, such as payment history, credit usage, and length of credit history. Also, keep an eye out for errors or discrepancies. Incorrect information can impact your scores negatively. Once you've understood your credit report, it's time to move on to the next step. The second step is to start paying your bills on time. This simple act can significantly boost your credit scores over time. Why? Because payment history is a major component of your credit score calculation. So every on-time payment you make can help tip the scales in your favor. To ensure you don't miss a payment, consider setting up reminders or even better, auto payments. This way, you're always on top of your bills. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to improving your credit score. The third step is to reduce your debt and maintain low balances on your credit cards. This practice positively impacts your credit scores because it demonstrates financial responsibility. It's like saying to lenders, hey, I can manage my finances well. To make this happen, consider creating a budget or a debt repayment plan. This can help you track your expenses, prioritize your payments, and gradually reduce your debt. Reducing your debt not only helps improve your credit score, but also gives you more financial freedom. So those were the 3 fundamental steps to rebuild your credit after a foreclosure. Let's quickly recap. First, understanding your credit report is vital. It's the foundation of your financial health. Next, paying bills on time is crucial. This simple act has a significant impact on your credit score. Finally, reduce your debt and maintain low balances. It's not about having no debt, but managing it effectively. Now let's delve into some additional tips. Consider using a secured credit card. It's a great tool to rebuild credit, and it's backed by a deposit you make up front. Also, don't hesitate to seek professional advice. There are experts out there who can provide guidance tailored to your situation. But remember, patience is key. Rebuilding credit is not an overnight process. It takes time, persistence, and discipline. Remember, rebuilding credit is a journey, not a race. Stay committed, and you'll see improvement in your credit score over time.